Okay, hello boys and girls, it's Mrs. Hatfield and we're going to work on making a place value chart for an anchor chart for you to use in your notebook. You need to take your regular piece of notebook paper, and this time I want you to turn it so that the holes are at the top, and we call this horizontal. So once you have your holes at the top, let's go ahead and write place value chart. And then I want you to make a long rectangle all the way across your paper. And we're going to divide this rectangle into 3 parts. So pretty good space in between. So you have 1, 2, 3 parts, okay? And we call these parts periods. In place value, we have different periods. Our first period is going to be the ones period. And if you'll notice, I'm starting at the right of my paper. Normally we start at the left and we write toward the right. We also read from left to right. But when we do a place value chart, we do the total opposite. We start at the right and we work our way left. That is very, very important. So our first period on the right is our ones. Our next period is our thousands. And the last period that we're going to talk about in the 4th grade is our millions. Okay, we also need to go ahead and put in some commas. This is our thousands comma, this is our millions comma. Now within our chart, within our different periods, I want you to draw 3 lines. And we're going to give those names. The easiest way that I have found for you to remember that is just to begin with a pattern. We're going to begin with an O, a T, and an H. Again, moving right to left. We're going to go into our next period, and we're going to put an O, a T, and an H. So if we repeat that pattern in our millions place, we're going to once again put an O, a T, and an H. So that gets us started. Let's move back to the right. And most of you already know this is our ones place. This is our tens place. And this is our hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. When we move into our next period, it's the same. This O stands for ones, but this time we have to include the thousands. This is our 1,000. This is our 10,000. And this is our 100,000. So we next are ready to move into our millions period, and guess what? Same thing. The O is once again our 1, except this time it's our 1 millions. What do you think the T stands for? 10 millions. And I guess everybody tell me what this is. This would be our 100 million. So boys and girls, that's our place value chart. If you can do the ones, then you can do the thousands, and you can do the millions. It's not that hard. I want you to take this place value chart and I want you to put it in your math section of your black binder, and we will be referring to this chart later. Have a good day.